Hello everybody, this is Timeless. In today's episode of Real Realities and Beyond the Known, we will talk about smartphone capabilities in year 2075. How they, we will, in general, we will pay our attention to five major aspects. Physical appearance of smartphones, how they would look like, what will be their shape, how they will be used, and so on. Then smartphone capabilities, what will be speed of internet, what kind of memories will they have, how clouds will look like, and so on. And then we will talk about communication capabilities of smartphones, um, holograms, so how future communications will be based on holograms and not traditional video calls. And then we will talk about novelty, like novel possibilities, like absolutely new things which are not so far implemented. We don't know them so far. So it's not just improving the parameters or improving some certain capabilities, but it's completely new approach. Whatever we do not have idea or we don't know about it, but it will be well implemented in services by 2075. So 50 years in the future. So let's go with and begin physical appearance of smartphones. Like by 2075, first of all, uh, smartphones might not be the main communication devices, let's say. Smartphones will be for people who still like to have some sort of devices and who is in favor of like big devices holding in their hands. For rest of the people, there will be as minimum smart glasses, but it might be even more complicated uh, systems like smart lenses or directly even integrated some sort of like biotechnique, which creates either augmented reality, virtual reality, and things like this. The phones themselves will be very flexible and transparent. Like you can bend the phones, you can use them as like bracelets. They will be as thin as paper, almost like you can fold them and like put in your bag. You can hold it and see through phone, so it will be uh, very close to like 70, 80% of transparency. And again, so these things will be for people who are more or less keen to some sort of devices and they want to have hold in their hands. For most of the cases, there will be more complicated biotech, like augmented reality, smart glasses, which create augmented reality, lenses, and so far. So next thing, a smartphone or any kind of communication devices and their capabilities. Uh, Smartphones. So all of the information we are talking now about is based on very serious and deep analysis. So I went to many like scientific predictions, used artificial intelligence, searched a lot on social media, scientific newspapers and magazines, and all these results, which I'm talking now and sharing with you, are based on most advanced and modern day achievements and vision. So, when it comes to smartphone capabilities, in 50 years, so by 2075, cameras will have like probably 1000 megapixels. That will be their optic power. Artificial intelligence enhanced cameras could edit images in like real time, removing or adding elements like seamlessly. Like memories, so there is also a thing. Memories, like rough memories, will be like 100 terabytes. So all of these smartwatches, smart glasses, smartphones will have like around 100 terabytes of hard disk or any different form of storage. But most interesting thing predicted for year 2075 is that cloud system will be dominating the entire network and communications. So in most of the cases, device itself will not have requirement for extensive storage. So all this information will be uploaded and stored somewhere in cloud, in quantum cloud, with extremely high capacity. It will be even probably more than 100 terabytes. And then device itself will not have need for direct storage of this size. Uh, advanced sensors might measure temperature, weather, some biological like vital information, and everything will be recorded and transmitted. So next thing is communication itself. Communication by 2075 will have speeds about several terabits per second. Uh, and all communication will be almost like latency free, uh, almost no delays, and the transmission will feel that it's like almost like instantaneous. So you could download or upload like enormous amount of data, like a couple of terabytes in seconds or fractions of a second. So it will be global connectivity, all these smart devices, their real-time connection will be almost instantaneous all over the world. Satellite constellations and quantum communication networks will ensure like unbroken worldwide coverage everywhere, like in every single remote areas of planet Earth. So next thing is about holograms. So in 50 years into the future, by 2075, regular traditional video calls and video communication will be past. The real communication will be provided by holograms. Real human full-size holograms, three-dimensional holograms, which create a virtual reality to that level that you would almost feel that person is present. Like in business meetings, conference calls, everywhere, like full human-sized holograms will appear and will have like communication, talking like deliver speech or talk about things, almost as if they are present in the room. So as if they are sitting in the same room. Uh, Possibly like meeting rooms and special places which are used for communication will have like entire room converted into support of hologram. But small devices, like we said, smartphones, smartwatches, and etc., might have some holograms like directly in the air. So they're displaying these holograms directly in the air and creating virtual reality this way. So small devices might project 3D images into midair for immersive interaction without some wearables. And in certain cases, as I said, entire rooms could be transformed into holographic spaces for collaboration, entertainment, or education. So, as we said, apart from the improving parameters, which will be like many times improved, unrealistically in comparison to whatever we have today. By 2075, there will be completely new things. Uh, what can smart devices do for us, which is absolutely impossible and unrealistic for today. So by 2075, there will be augmented reality overlays, which means that by the help of the artificial intelligence and the pre-programmed smart devices, you can see like everything overlaid in the street. For an instance, uh, artificial intelligence overlay will display restaurant menus, shop inventories, some historical facts, like everything. When you drive or walk in the street in the UC building, you might instantly get whole information about whatever is happening in that building, what do they sell, what you can do there, and all this kind of stuff. Also, there will be, like we use like Google Maps today, there will be video maps where you can check very high quality, probably 4K or 8K quality video of main streets in real time. So you can go and simply click like we click today and check what's happening in that area in real time. Also, as we said, there will be some sort of biotech which will have like direct communication to brain, and in certain situations, probably there won't be direct need to click or to do some sort of like physical activity in order to be doing something by your device. In many cases, it can be integrated in your system, and you can manipulate and force uh, device to do whatever you want just by only thinking. So this was pretty much for today. This is our program, Real Realities and Beyond the Known, where we talk about very rare facts which I cannot find in internet, or even if you will find, there is very little information about it. So in order to expand our channel and do more interesting stuff, please follow us, please subscribe, please leave us comments and some suggestions if you can. We have created a couple of like interesting things so far. One is about interstellar travel. You can check in our playlist. There is also a good a video about TRAPPIST, extrasolar TRAPPIST-D, extrasolar planet. So you can go ahead and check and watch to it. We also are creating quick videos like simulations of future development of infrastructure, development of engineering, and some cosmic facts like black holes, white holes. You can see all of those videos. Please watch them. Uh, Give us comments again. Also, we have weekly news information, CTE news, science, technology, and engineering news, where we discuss about like new achievements, usually hypersonic or supersonic flight, infrastructural developments, and so on. So please see all this stuff, wait for better, subscribe, leave us comments, and until next meeting. Thank you very much.